Hello everyone. So today we are going to read our chapter number 3b, The Surprises of Science. So without wasting our time, let's start. In this chapter, there is a story, The Pursuit of Knowledge. It is about various inventions and discoveries about sciences. In this story, there are two speakers, Nazia and Hamad. They are going to tell you something about the experiments and something about the discovery of science. So first, Nazia is here. So what she is going to tell you, it is about X-ray, that how X-ray has been discovered. So here, a German physicist in 1895, his name is Wilhelm Röntgen. He was experimenting with cathode rays. What exactly are cathode rays? They are high-speed electrons released in a stream from the heated cathode of a vacuum tube. In his dark laboratory, he concealed the tube with heavy dark cardboard. He noticed a glowing light on a fluorescent screen passing across the room. He realized the light was from the tube which had penetrated the opaque black cardboard. He was utterly confused. Then he conducted the experiment again with her wife, but this time he used a photographic paper plate instead of a fluorescent screen. The result was a clear picture of Anna's hand with the bones and wedding ring. So it proved that cathode rays could pass through some solid objects like skin. For this achievement, he has won the Nobel Prize in 1901. Actually, he accidentally discovered X-ray, which benefited the field of medical science. We should all keep in mind that let's not experiment towards attaining that perfect result which is known to us already. Let us experiment to discover new things. So our next speaker is Hamdan. So he is now going to tell us about Martian rock samples. He was telling that we have successfully been able to collect a sample of Martian rock. We now have a bit of Martian soil on Earth. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has successfully acquired and collected the first rock sample from Mars. The Mars 2020 mission was aided by Perseverance Mars rover, a robotic space vehicle designed to collect samples from the Martian samples. In his second attempt, the Perseverance Mars on 1st September 2021 has managed to drill the soil on Jezero crater in Mars and acquired a sample rock. Also, he told us that by 2028 it will be brought back to Earth and these samples will be studied. Neil Armstrong, the first astronomer to walk on the moon, he said, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. The collection of first Martian soil sample is, for me, just one small step to a fantastic future ahead of us." These two discoveries and these two experiments, they told us about that how science are going to change the future of Earth and how to live on Earth and how will we live on Earth in future. Also, traveling to Mars or settling down there has been a common subject of interest for writers, and many famous science fiction works like Through Space to Mars, The Memory of Mars, A Princess of Mars, etc. They have thrilled readers. So this is all about chapter number 3b. So I hope you all have understood the chapter and its meaning. Thank you so much.